This is what we will be making in today's tutorial. First, we will add a box collider to our ground. Then we will again add a box collider to the player, plus we will add a rigid body. And then we will write a code for implementing bounce in our game. First, we will need a rigid body 2D, and we will call it RB. And then we'll need two floats, speed X and speed Y. And we'll have to give RB a value. Of rigid body of what this part of the script will do is it will get what we mentioned, like all the from our game object on which we will add the script. It will take the value of rigid body and give it to the variable RB. Now on collision, so that when it collides, it comes here every time it collide, and all the information of the object that it collides with will be stored in collision. And I have made a mistake over here. This should be inside of these brackets. So what I want to do is I want to add a force in speed x comma speed y, and these will be the coordinates. We will enter these values afterwards. And this should do it. Now we will attach the script to the player, and we will give it a value for y, because we can change the value for x as well, but for now we will change only for y, and we will play it. And now it will bounce, and you can change its x value as well. For now our player will bounce on all the surfaces, but if you want it to bounce on some specific surface, you'll have to make a tag. And give your ground the tag you just mentioned, and you can in this, and in Visual Studio we will have to add this code. Now it should do it. It will now only bounce on the ground. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, then please like this video. If I get 10 likes, I'll buy a new microphone. Thank you.